Alright, so I snuck out here to take a little peek at this Karmann Ghia before me and Sherri get to work on it. We were just in that accident. I took a shower and washed all of those vibes off, and I'm ready to get rocking on this bad boy. I'm kind of blown away by this car, and it is absolutely the cutest thing. Digging those original cluster. Digging the wheel, digging all of it, man. So freaking cool. I can't wait to lend a hand on some of this, man. Just super fun. I'm excited for Sherri to have a little project, you know? It's awesome. This little thing's gonna be sweet when she's done with it. I'm super excited to see the finished product. But for now, we're just gonna try and tackle the bodywork aspect of things, since that's kind of what I've been tackling mostly in my videos. We're just gonna see what we can get done. I made a list. We were on our way to the store, but that got interrupted by a car accident. But we're gonna head back to the store and, you know, we'll go get the supplies that we need and we'll get this done. This is gonna be completely awesome. I'm so freaking stoked. It's a beautiful, absolutely beautiful day. Arizona is so freaking amazing. It is like the Florida temperature without the humidity, you know what I mean? So I am just loving it, absolutely loving this. Compared to Colorado, this is beautiful, you know? He's got a bunch of different sand cars here. Got the sand limo. We got Booster Boy Kyle's over there. He's been doing a lot of work on that bad boy for him. Super cool. Super cool. I snuck out here a little too early. I'm ready to get going. Let's go. But yeah, the only thing I didn't get was Bondo. So
We'll get that at O'Reilly's and sandpaper too.
I found discs, yeah, I found those.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay, cool.
Really though, the thing is so tiny. Oh my gosh, I absolutely love it. I love it. It's so cute. Fired right up. This side looks nice. Whew, look at that little thing go, man. It's got some kick. Needs a tail light. Whew, that smell. Had to get on the gas a little bit there, huh? She was a rolling.
The seat and I didn't realize.
She couldn't reach the pedals. We're in the shop now. Oh, it's in.
Yes, it is.
Gonna get rolling. Yeah, this side, that's what we're shooting for, eh? Look at those. Check out the body lines. Now this car is very, very rounded. Very perfectly rounded. Yes. You guys can just see what really we're working with here. Not so rounded anymore. What was the story? What happened, Sherri? Got kissed by a semi?
Yes.
Ooh, that would be a scary ride. Safety first. We got some self-etching primers, some filler, all the little tools necessary. Some of the good reinforced filler, because we're not looking for cracks. We're just looking to do it right. Camera and dolly set. See what we can do with that. I mean, the whole point is to see what we can do with that. Realizing that this car was in a previous accident and whoever fixed it didn't prep properly, so there's rust underneath all of the paint. Realizing that there's hidden Bondo layers everywhere on this fender. It's not just one spot, it's literally everywhere. Yeah, she got the platinum brand. You know, you got all the bells and whistles. Yeah, okay.
I had no choice.
And I got the cool one. Just kidding. But yeah, safety first. We got that out pretty well, or pretty decent so far. We learned a lot. I mean, there's a lot to be learned. This car was red at one point. Something was red at one point. I got under there and busted that out as much as I could, and compared to what it was, not too shabby. We're gonna sand it all down, get rid of all this crap so we can actually match up the freaking body line. Heck yeah, we're gonna figure it out though. Alright boys, I know I'm doing it all wrong. I am not a professional, I am learning as I go. And this experience has taught me so much. If you have something to say, leave me a comment. I'd love your advice, I'd love to learn more, but truly, I'm just doing what I've taught myself. So, yeah. These are the little clips.
Teamwork makes the dream work, Sherri. It wasn't just about me teaching you stuff. You have no idea how much you helped me and taught me on this trip. Love you, chick.
Holy shit, Kirsty, that's incredible.
Whatever.
What do you mean, whatever? Dude. It's like 1,000 times better than it was.
Yeah, I'm realizing that, you know, there's gonna be some Bondo.
You want a fan? Are you hot?
No, I'm okay. I was
Okay.
just swinging. But yeah, as long as I can get it, you know, close and it's not super thick Bondo, I'm gonna have to do exactly what they did. Just, you know.
Yeah, there's no way.
Yeah.
I mean, it's the,
Yeah, so just get it as close to pushed out. That is typically what I do, forget to record things. We're learning.
All right, so you wanted to learn how to solder.
Yes.
And I do electrical, and that's what I do, so I'm gonna show you.
Heck yes.
So, a lot of guys, like I was saying a minute ago before you started filming, they like to twist the wires together first and then solder them. I don't prefer to do it that way. I tin everything. And what tinning is, I'll show you in just a second, as soon as I get these stripped, is I'm gonna put solder on both wires. And then we're gonna lay them together and basically...
So when you say putting solder, that means using the wire?
This solder,
Yeah. Okay, that's solder. All right. See, I really don't know anything. That's yeah. Yeah. Because, yeah, I've been using butt connectors on everything, so, and that is not ideal.
So,
but, yeah.
Somewhere around here I have a holder that will hold the wires for me.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna find them. I just take a piece of solder, take your soldering iron. What I do is take a little solder, stick it on the end, and hold the soldering iron on the wire. You're going to feed the solder into it, and it's copper, so it kind of is going to draw itself into it. And now you see it looks like tin. It's called tinning the wire.
Okay.
Now these two yellow wires are what I want to join together. So now I'm going to tin this one. Same thing. It's basically kind of like TIG welding, where you're feeding rod in.
Okay.
So now both sides are tinned. So now I can melt both sides of this wire. So now I'm going to take this one, I'm going to hold it right next to it, and I'm going to start swinging. I'm going to heat both sides. There we go. Now it's cooled off.
That is crazy.
Then you cover this in some heat shrink.
That is strong. Dang, right off the bat. Holy cow. Now I see.
And there's always a big argument on the internet over what's better, soldering or butt connectors. I prefer to solder things, especially if you're looking for a more permanent solution.
I think I was just scared of it. Didn't know what the heck I'd even do.
So there's a lot of other ways you can do it too. So like I said, a lot of people, instead of just tinning it, they'll just take the wires, twist them together, and then tin it, and you're done.
Oh.
Then it's soldered.
Yeah.
You know, instead of holding
That's
the two
true.
ends together. I prefer to do it this way because I've just always done it this
that way.
Yeah.
Makes sense. That shit dries fast.
Yeah.
Like, that's so crazy.
There you go.
Dune addict busted red-handed sneaking into the video, man. I'm cleaning off the car with some soap and water, getting ready to do some self-etching primer. Gosh, darn it. Getting ready to do some self-etching primer. Okay, getting ready to do some self-etching primer before I lay down the filler. So there's one spot in particular that's really bad. It's right by the headlight, and there's like a seat that the headlight sits into, and I can't get it out, and so I just have to work around it. And that's the thing, I can't really work around it, so I'm just gonna have to fill it. It's the worst part of the car, so I'm gonna do a couple extra layers on this one spot, and then I will match the rest of it to that line. I just want to reiterate that I've never filled anything this big. These dents are huge. It's a little overwhelming and a little daunting. I've never used this filler before, so I'm nervous to see the ratio between the hardener and the mixture, see if I got it right. I wanted to start off small.
Okay, so let's show you the progress. Just got one really thin layer on here. I decided just to like focus on one side, one patch, because it's a lot to tackle. So I just have never used this stuff before. I wanted to get a feel for it. Dried really fast. Definitely needs a couple more layers in here just to fill up this pit. If you didn't know, the motor in these Karmann Ghias is in the back. The trunk is in the front. Super cool. If you didn't know, I thought I'd tell you. Bam. This was the deepest spot, so wow. Oh my goodness.
So if you're just, the other one has it too.
That is so cool.
You're just chilling out here at night in the summertime. You know, sit in the water.
Heck yes. This is such a vibe. I mean, that is pretty sweet. It moves. What is that, a little step pedal? You just, little switch. Oh, that's pretty cool, dude. Pretty legit. Pretty fancy. The cool part is you can put an umbrella on this little pad.
And we're gonna get lounge chairs that actually are built to be inside the water.
So then you can sit and relax with your feet in the water. Oh,
You like the red?
I do. I appreciate it.
They'll come back in the summer too.
I know, that's what I'm saying, man. It's nice. It's relaxing. It's hammock time. Very cozy, very cozy. Extra wide hammock. For my fat. Ah. That's why I like these bendable ones instead of the metal ones. This you can break it on. That was nice. Flashing. Well, you guys, this is my last day here. I am like really depressed, honestly, because I've had an absolute killer time here. It's a little chilly in the mornings, early mornings, but other than that, it's been sunny and beautiful and like 80 degrees and just like nicer than Florida. Like no humidity, like just dry, beautiful heat. You know what I mean? I don't think I've sweat once. Like it's been really nice, really dry, really bright, really vibrant. Really just don't want to go. But I do. I miss my kids, obviously. Gotta get back to that home life, but this has been such a blast and such a getaway, in a sense. Usually I'm out doing like racing stuff, and when I do travel, it's really fast-paced and pretty much all work. So it's been cool to slow down, have some fun, and just enjoy myself while also doing work. We are getting work done here. It's early in the morning. I'm getting ready to roll back out and finish up some stuff on this Karmann Ghia before I have to head out this evening. Sherri's talking about getting pedicures, and I'm over here, you know, doing filler and have like crap all stuck on my nails. She's all talking about getting her nails done, and it's like, girl, I gotta finish this Bondo. So that's what I'm gonna do, and I just want to get to a good stopping point. I know that I got to come back out here, finish it all up, but I would love to get to a good stopping point, not only for this video, but for Sherri. At least get the filler all done would be my dream goal. So, oh, the sun's coming out so bright. It really warms it up once that bad boy gets out. Jump in the pool. Thank you, Sherri and Harvey, for an absolute amazing time. Can't say it enough. You guys really are amazing people. Great vibes. This is a great place you guys got here. Man, I feel blessed. I feel very, very blessed to have gotten this opportunity, and I'm gonna make the best of it. Let's get this Karmann Ghia rolling, people. What does one do while waiting for filler to dry? One relaxes in the hammock with the Red Bull. Yeah, I stayed up too late packing, getting all my stuff together. Gosh, and then woke up too early. So, cheers. Yeah, Sherri, I'm on the hammock again for the 10 millionth time. Gonna go check on that here in a minute, see if it's dry yet. Do another layer. Doing really thin, fine layers in hopes that, to minimize cracking, and I really could not find a way around having to use filler. The car, it's really hard to find parts for. I mean, it's a true unibody car, so it's not just like, oh, I'll just order a new fender. It's a unibody car, so gotta do what we can with the filler. Straighten her out. It'll be good. Hi, Sherri. You got your coffee?
I do.
Got your coffee. I got the hammock and my Red Bull. Cheers.
Cheers.
The clouds are crazy here. They work in layers.
Yeah, sometimes.
It's kind of like your car. It's like an onion. But you see how like the bottom layer is moving and then there's the top layer up top? It's wild. I don't know. Our clouds in Colorado don't do that. What's going on here?
I'm sure they do. You just don't.
I don't ever take the time to look up.
Well, you're usually higher than the clouds.
In which way?
Oh.
Welcome to Colorado.
Mile high.
Yeah. No, this is nice. Even with the overcast, man, at least we're not frying.
And it's not snowing.
And it's not snowing. So that's always great. Anyways, I'm being lazy.
You definitely have to come back out so we can go kayak.
Okay, you guys, I got a couple hours till I gotta catch my flight, but look at that. I just put down a fresh coat. I still gotta let this dry and sand it, but I mean, come on. Compared to where we started, pulled that up pretty well. Just gotta sand down this final, this is right where the pinch was. Trying to coat match there. We'll see how it turns out when I get done sanding here. How close I really am. It's exciting. This came a long way.
Unfortunately, we didn't have time to get it done. But we did go get pedicures, and I got to enjoy the day with Sherri, and it was absolutely awesome. I feel like we got to a good stopping point, and I'm excited to get back out there and finish it up. Thank you guys so much for joining me on Project Karmann Ghia. Teamwork makes the dream work. Also, this was the scariest flight I've ever been on. The flight attendants were not allowed to leave their seats because we were flying through a storm the entire time. And the wing looked like it was going to break off the entire time. Super scary, but they always say once you get through the storm, there is sunshine on the other side. Unfortunately for me, I live in Colorado.
Well, just what I needed when I got back from Arizona. Wouldn't be Colorado without it. Welcome home.
I had no idea what I was getting into when I flew out here, but I'm so glad I did. It's insane what we're capable of if we just put our minds to it. And teamwork really does make the dream work. It was awesome having people around who were willing and wanting to learn, and also willing to teach me. You guys are awesome. I had such an amazing time with the best food and the best people, and I can't wait to get back out there. Also, make sure you visit theduneaddict.com and pick up some new merch. And if you could, go ahead and leave me a comment letting me know if you'd be interested in Kirsties'Karz merch.